is a harsh, critical, process-driven node. That is why we have taken more time. Now node 3 will be little critical, node 4 will be little critical. After that, it is very simple. Chemical will come later. Yeah. I have not. No, here I have 12. Up to 12. So which are other points? No, these are the qualities, and that point also need to be highlighted. No? You mean composition? Composition. Okay, so we can take composition. You are going behind. Now we are talking node 2. Now why you are coming for node 1 now? Okay. No, I'm just trying to understand, because we are talking about this green line. In the green line, do you have any cause for more flow? Yeah. नोट 1 तो हमने कर दिया ना यार. The last point. Okay. What is the concern of more flow here in node 1? There is a one line coming from network. Yeah. So here you have one line coming from the growth angle, which is unloading into the channel. This we have considered, no, more flow.